Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the KBGlow by Katie Barnes. So here are some nails with the light off and then with switching the LED lights on. Just look how clear they are. I absolutely love it so far. I've only had it a day. It really shows up the glitter really well. Even on a matte top coat. Or under I should say. This nail is with metallic water paints. Here I'm just showing some glitters in their bags. I think you'll be able to see them more properly in like a little dish or something, because all the fine glitter goes to the outside of the bag, but just look how sparkly that one is. Absolutely gorgeous. So I decided to do some glitters in the pot, which you can see them sparkle, which is really good. Petrol Party is, oh, it's just stunning. It's like a black base with all different types of glitter. Next, I'm just showing you some hard gel colours from Bling Line UK, from the little nail shop. Here's Helen, that's beautiful. Mona, oh, it's a gorgeous coral colour. Lovely summer colour, absolutely love it. Here are just some little snapshots that I took with my camera. This with the light off. Nice decent size, plenty of room to do your nails in. This is with the light on. It's so bright but not too bright. I got the full kit, so you get the film guide markers with it so you can stay in your shot. This is the power bank that is optional. It lasts 3 hours. You can also charge your phone and as well as have the LED lights on. Oh, can't speak today. You can also put your iPad on the top. So if you're following a tutorial or you want to do mirror screening, you can do so. Overall, I am really happy with my purchase and I'd highly recommend it. I will leave all links in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon.